you say?
Do you know what time it is?
Oh, sorry, I've got a heck of a lot to get done today. Right, and, you know what they say, the early bird catches the worm.
And if you do this again, one more time, I'm calling the cops. And how about mowing your lawns? It's a bloody disgrace to the neighbourhood. Hey! What the hell are you doing this time?
Oh, like you said, George, I'm getting rid of the grass.